Hello, this is Francis McShane, and I'm going to very quickly show you how to merge some frames in a window. So in the last tutorial I showed you how to make this curtain wall. So let's say we want to merge a couple of frames, let's say 10 and 11. Just call up the merge function. And that's merging 10 and 11. Okay. So that shows you how that's done. And I'll just show you another interesting one, and that is if I was to merge, say, 6 and 10, that would leave 7 over. So we'll see what happens when I do that. Six and 10. Okay. As you can see, you've got this odd frame 7 over. So what do you do about that? Well, you just delete it. That's what this does. Number 7. So, and you'll notice that when it does it, it readjusts the numbers. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It doesn't leave any odd numbers or anything like that. It tidies up your numbering as well. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you. Bye bye.